Let's learn how to blur part of a video in the CapCut editing app. Welcome back to another simple tutorial everyone. If you'd like to blur part of a video, whether it's text, a face, or any sensitive information, stick with me until the end to see how it's done. It's a quick and easy process. We'll be using the CapCut application for this, and the steps are the same for both iOS and Android. Now, let's open CapCut and import the video you want to edit. I'm using a sample video here, and I want to blur certain elements in it. The first step is to tap on the effects option right here. Next, tap on Video Effects, then go to the Lens section. Here, look for the blur effect. If it's not visible right away, you can explore other sections in the Video Effects tab until you find it. Select the basic blur effect tab to add it, and this will blur the entire video. Now, the blur is applied to your video. You can adjust the timeline to select the exact portion of the video you want to blur or apply it across the whole video. Next, let's add the same video again. Tap the Overlay button, then Add Overlay. CapCut will open your gallery. Select the same video once again, and it will appear smaller than the frame size. Zoom in slightly so it fits the frame. Once that's done, tap Add Mask to continue. Ensure your second video is selected, then scroll down to find the mask option. Tap on it. A menu will pop up with different mask shapes you can choose from. For blurring a specific part, a circle or rectangle mask works best. I'm choosing the rectangle mask in this case. Once the mask is created, tap the Invert button located in the bottom left corner of the screen. Now you can adjust the size and shape of the mask by dragging the arrows to fit the area you want to blur. In this way you blur any part of video. If this helps, please subscribe the channel.